In this session, let us learn about char at method, code point at method, side point before method, code point count method compared to string methods. Java string char at method. The char at method returns the character at the specified index in a string. The index of the first character is 0, the second character is 1, and so on. Syntax: public character dot char at int index. See the parameter values. Index: an int value representing the index of the character to return. Technical details: returns a character value at the specified index of the string. The first character value is at index 0. Throws: index out of bounds exceptions. If index is negative or not less than the length of the specified string. See the code. If we write and execute this code, the output returns H. Java string code point at method. The code point at method returns the Unicode values of a character at the specified index in a string. The index of the first character is 0, the second character is 1, and so on. See the syntax: public int code point at int index. See the parameters values. Index: an int value representing the index of the character to return. Technical details: returns an int value representing the Unicode value of the character at the index. Throws: index out bound exception. If index is negative or not less than the length of the specified string. Example: see the example. Return the Unicode of the first character in a string. The Unicode value of H is 72. See, if we write and execute this code, the result returns is 72. Java string code point before method. The code point before method returns the Unicode value of the character before the specified index in a string. The index of the first character is 1, the second character is 2, and so on. Note: the value 0 is generate an error as this is a negative number out of reach. See the syntax: public int code point before int index. See the parameter values. Index: an int value representing the index following the Unicode that should be returned. See the example. Return the Unicode of the first character in a string. The Unicode value of H is 72. If we write and execute this code, the output returns 72. Java string code point count method. The code point count. The code point count method returns the number of Unicode values found in a string. Use the start index and end index parameters to specify where to begin and end the search. The index of the first character is 0, the second character is 1, and so on. See the syntax: public int code point count method in start index, comma int end index. Parameter values. Start index: an int value representing the index to the first character in the string. End index: an int value representing the index after the last character in the string. See the example. Return the number of Unicode values found in a string. See, if we write and execute this code, the output result returns this 5. Java string compare to method. The compare to method compares two strings lexicographically. The comparison is based on the Unicode value of each character in the string. The method returns 0 if the string is equal to the other string. A value less than 0 is returned if the string is less than the other string. Less characters and a value greater than 0, the string is greater than the other string. More characters. Tip: use compare to ignore case method to compare two strings lexicographically, ignoring lowercase and uppercase differences. Tip: use the equals method to compare two strings without consideration of Unicode values. See the syntax: public int compare to string method, public int compare to object method. See the parameter values. String 2, a string representing the other string to be compared. Object: an object representing an object to be compared. Technical details: an int value 0 is the string is equal to the other string. Lesser 0 if the string is lexicographically less than the outer string. Greater than 0 is if the string is lexicographically greater than the outer string. More characters. See the example: compare two strings. If we write and execute this code, the output result returns 0 because they are equal. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 63. Char at code point at, side point before, code point count, compare to. In next video let us learn about other topics: compare to, ignore, concat method, contains method, content equals method, copy value of string methods.
If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.